Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Sunwire offers internet, TV, and phone services primarily focused on the Ontario region of Canada. Their website, sunwire.ca, showcases a variety of packages designed to meet different needs and budgets. They emphasize a commitment to customer service and reliable connectivity. While their primary service area seems concentrated, they do offer potential service availability checks for specific addresses. It appears they offer a range of internet technologies, potentially including fiber, cable, and DSL, although this isn't explicitly stated on their main page. The site features information on their bundled packages, which often combine internet with TV or phone services. Sunwire also highlights their business solutions, suggesting they cater to both residential and commercial customers. The website has a clean design and is easy to navigate, with prominent calls to action for checking availability and contacting their sales team. They seem to promote special offers and promotions regularly. The emphasis on local support and community involvement is evident throughout the site. While detailed information regarding specific internet speeds and data allowances isn't immediately visible on the main page, it's likely available through further exploration of their site. They appear to prioritize transparency and clear communication with their customers. For those seeking a telecom provider with a local focus and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Sunwire could be worth considering. Their website presents a professional image and provides a good starting point for gathering information about their services. Remember to check the description for links to Sunwire and other helpful resources. And, of course, your individual experience may vary.